Clever cars. This is Max's house. The garage door is opening. Good morning, Max. Max went for a drive. I wonder what the clever cars will play today. This is a small toy loader. Will you play with this loader, Max? Of course! We'll take the loader with us. What other cars are there? Let's match the pictures. Excavator. Garbage truck. Road roller. Concrete mixer. Crane. Bulldozer. Mimi will also look for toy cars. Bulldozer. Concrete mixer. Road roller. We found 3 cars. Hooray! Let's go play. Who is hiding in this picture? Boo the pickup! He's looking for a car in the balls with surprises. Boo presses the button and a ball rolls out. What's inside? A strawberry! Boo doesn't need a strawberry. What's in this ball? A crane! A crane is a car! Boo takes it to play with. Clever cars will play on the playground. Today, there's paint and blocks. Max arrived first. He'll play with the loader. What can a loader lift? A block. Take the yellow block, Max. It's smaller. Put the block on the loader. It works! Mimi brought 3 more vehicles. There are so many construction vehicles. Boo, unload your vehicle. A crane. Look, all the vehicles are yellow, but the crane is gray. Does that look nice? No. The clever cars will paint the crane. Do you like green? You don't like it? How about blue? Also no good. Now the crane is yellow. Great! All the construction vehicles are yellow. Cool! It's raining outside. Pickup Boo peeks out from the house. Hi! Hooray! The rain is gone. The sun is shining. We can go for a walk. Did you take your toys with you? There's a shovel and a bucket in the back of the pickup. This is Max. He's going to search for some sand toys in the ball pit. A plane. A dinosaur. A truck. Let's find matching pictures. Swings. Bouncy castles. Sandboxes. Seesaws. Tunnels. Slides. Mimi came to the playground to take a ride down the slide. You need to go up to the slide. Up! And down. That's fun! There are raindrops on the swings after the rain. Let's shake them off. And now you can swing. Swing, swing. Boo, swing Mimi, please. swing! Who's hiding in this picture? Max is playing in the sandbox. Let's make some sand pies together. We'll make a truck out of sand. Let's get a shovel. The truck made of sand is ready. A red dinosaur. Here's a dinosaur made of sand. An airplane. Here's an airplane made of sand. The cars really liked playing with the toys in the sandbox. And now it's time to pick up the toys. We also need to wash the toys so they don't have sand on them. Good job, Mimi! The toys are clean, and so are you! Max also wants to be clean. Now it's Boo's turn. Good job, clever cars! Three foamy snow piles are standing in front of a car wash. Oops! They are moving. Let's wash the foam away to see who is underneath. This is Mimi, a pink convertible. And who is that? Max. He also drove to the car wash to get cleaned. And who is under this foam? Boo the pickup. clever cars are clean. Let's find matching pictures. Clean cranes. Liquid soaps. Brushes. Hair dryers. Sponges. Dirty cranes. Max, what did you see? Excavators are digging a hole and loading a truck with soil. Here will be a traffic light. The excavator is so dirty. And the rest of the cars, too. Let's wash them. What do we need to wash the cars? Liquid soap. A sponge. A brush. What's hidden in Mimi's cupboard? A hair dryer. A hair dryer can help dry the cars. Come, Mimi. Which cars are on the street? A crane. And Boo the pickup. Clever cars count buckets of water. 1, 2, 3. Boo takes the buckets and drives them to the dirty cars. Let's put a drop of liquid soap on the glass. Then wash the excavator with a sponge and a brush. So much foam! Wash the foam off with water. And let's wash the next car. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Wash the foam off with water. find the last car. Clean! Time to get dry. Let's turn on the hairdryer. Ooh, lovely. Great job, clever cars. This is the house of Boo the Pickup. Oh, a mouse! Good morning, Boo. The pickup arrived at the car wash. Boo is clean. This is a kitten. It's also washing itself. The kitten is meowing. What does a puppy do? A puppy barks. What does a horse do? A horse neighs. What does a little pig do? Oinks! Mimi is looking for a treat to give the kitten. Milk. Fish. Dry food. What's Max looking for? What's this? This is a bowl you can pour milk in. Red! Max stopped. Green, you can go. Boo, the kitten is hungry. Hop in, kitty. The pickup will take you to breakfast. Oh, don't be afraid, kitty. Look at what the clever cars brought you. kitten wants milk. Here's a bowl. We'll open the bottle and pour the milk. This is a key. With the key, you can use a toy mouse that the kitten will play with. Here, kitty! Catch the mouse! Kitty likes it! Well done, clever cars!